Hello friends, here my husband has already started cooking, so I just thought of taking a quick video. Here he has taken a cooker, added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that he has added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now goes 1 sliced onion and stir well. To that he has added half chopped tomato and half teaspoon of turmeric. Now give us good stir and add little bit of salt according to your taste. So any guesses what we are preparing? Let's see. 1 slit green chilli. This is a weekend special and is the main ingredient. Chopped mutton with bone. So here we are going to make sukha mutton. Okay. So there is a twist to it. It's a 2-in-1 recipe. Now to that we are adding warm water, that is 800 ml. So before having the sukha mutton, we are going to have mutton soup. Yes. So these are the whole garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of saunf, that is fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera. We have cardamom here. We have red chili, coriander seeds, cinnamon, peppercorns, few sprigs of curry leaves and cloves. Let's take a pan and once it is hot, let's add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the coconut oil is warm, let's add the ingredients to it. Make sure when you're adding the ingredients, the gas is on sim so that it doesn't get burned. So all of them basically we want it to be aromatic. That's it. Do not burn it. Just stir it for just 2 minutes. Cool down completely and add it to the small mixie jar. So once it is cool, let's make a coarse powder of it. And this is the masala ready for our sukha masala. So let's check the status of the mutton. Yes, looks as if it's cooked very well and the soup is ready. Let's take one piece and check whether it is cooked well. Okay, yes, it is very well cooked. Let's separate the soup out of it and put some chunks of mutton into it. So here a simple soup we are making, as it's for mainly kids. We'll be adding little bit of lime juice and pepper powder. If you wish, you can add little bit of shallots sauteed well and garnish it. Now time to make our sukha masala. Into the same pan we add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera, then some sprigs of curry leaves and 1 sliced onion. So to this 1 slit of green chilli and ½ inch of cinnamon. Let's stir it. And we don't have to make it golden brown, so just add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and just saute it. Okay, saute it so that the ginger garlic paste raw smell goes. To that ½ teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and the other half of chopped tomatoes. Stir well for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now let's add our secret masala, that is 1 teaspoon of our coarse masala powder. Nicely stir it and let's add to it our mutton. Cooked mutton, let's add to it and give a very good stir for around 5 minutes. Combine very well so that the masala is coated onto the mutton. To this we are going to add 100 ml of warm water and rest of the 1.5 teaspoon of coarse masala powder which we prepared. Accordingly adjust the salt as well and let's give a good stir so that the masala is coated and the mutton becomes totally dry. So stir in an open pan, no need to close it, just in an open pan in a medium flame. This will take around 7 to 8 minutes so that the whole water gets coated, masala gets coated onto the mutton. Now this is almost ready. Now we are going to garnish it with chopped fresh coriander leaves. Wow, this gives a very good flavor and it is so appetizing. I am going to make garam garam fulka. So to that we will add half lemon juice and give a good stir and switch off the flame. So this is ready to cherish. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much, Yudi, for the amazing lunch. Wow, it's so nice. We are going to grab it soon. You guys try it.